you're experiencing FPS drops while playing EA FC 25, calibrating your settings can help improve performance. Follow these steps to optimize your game experience. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game menu. Start by reducing the resolution, texture quality, and shadow details to see if performance improves. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download and install the latest drivers for optimal performance. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help reduce FPS drops. Step 4. Check for game updates. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that can fix performance issues, so keep your game current. Step 5. Optimize system settings. Adjust your system's power settings to high performance. This can be done through the control panel or system settings, ensuring your computer prioritizes performance over energy savings. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience. Enjoy playing EA FC 25 with better performance.